Alright you guys, I'm back with another video today. I'm out here at my local pond and I'm going to do a little bit of fishing, and when I get up here to the pond I'll take and switch over to a head mount. Yes, I finally got some head mount in, and I've also got a chest mount too. So when I get back home I will show you guys them. You know, all the stuff that I got. I was going to do an packaging video, but I didn't think of it. I should have did it, but I didn't. I didn't think of it, and yeah, my hair's a mess. And the reason why I got my hood on my head is because it's kind of sprinkling a little bit. So, but I'm almost up there to the pond, and when I get, like I said, when I get up there, I'll switch it over and get the video restarted again and stuff, so that way y'all can watch me fish. Hope y'all enjoyed this video and everything. Oh, with the Kentucky Creek Fishing 2018, I got 242 views on it, and it seems like that's what you all want. And I will make another Kentucky Creek Fishing video of 2020 for you guys. So, because that's what y'all want to see, so that's what I'm going to do. And I also want to thank all my subscribers, the ones that's been here from the beginning, and putting up with my BS, not being able to post videos and stuff like I want to, and everything. And now I'll be able to do that. I won't have no problems of doing that. And because I got a head mount, get chest mounts, got the stuff that I need to do it with, and everything. So everything's going to be really good. So I'm going to be posting videos once a week and everything. So hope y'all, like I said, hope y'all enjoy this video and stuff. But I'm almost up here to the pond, so I'm going to get back to you guys here in just a second. Alright guys, I'm back. I hope that y'all can see this pretty good and everything. So I gotta walk up this little hill and then I'm right there at the pond. What I'm using today is I'm using, well, if I can get it to untangle. What I'm using today is I'm using a Yum crawdad right here. Yum crawdad with a 4-aught hook and a 3/8 ounce sinker on it with some braided line that's spider wired. Well, I'm gonna rip this stuff out because it's junk. Every time I casted it and throw it and stuff, it kind of, bounded up inside of it and everything. But right now that's all I got to use. So let's see if we can catch something. Let's see if we can catch us a fish. I don't know if we will or not, but I can give it a try, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it can't hurt to give it a try, you know what I'm saying? Wind's blowing out and it's kind of rain outside a little bit, but be all right. A little bit of rain ain't gonna hurt nobody. You can see the bass and stuff swimming around there. Just hoping I can just get them to feed and want to bite. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I know you guys, y'all want to see me fishing a creek and not a pond, you know, and everything. There's a little small bass. See if we can get him to. He don't want nothing to do with that. But I know y'all don't want to see me fishing a pond, but right now that's all I can do. Is fishing a pond because that creek's just too. It's just too cold to wade in. You know, I'm not going to get in that creek and wade in it and stuff and get sick. You know, I mean, I'm just not going to do it. I got a bass right there, but it seems like it don't want to bite it though. I got some other lures. If this don't work, then I'll switch out and try a different approach, you know. Try a different approach. Let that sink to the bottom. It's peaceful and quiet here. Yeah, I'm just hoping I can catch one on camera for you guys. I would love to do that. I would just love to catch one on camera for you guys. It seems like they don't want this, so I'm going to switch it out real quick. So, get my old trusty tackle box here. Get something out here real quick. Wrong pocket. I need to get this pocket right here. Yep, that's what I needed. Okay, I'll lay that there for a second. I'll pick that back up because I'm taking that home. So what I usually do is, let's see here, just throw, I might throw, I don't know about that. Still a little bit too cold for top water, so. I caught the fish here on that jerkbait before, so we throw, might throw, yeah, it'd still be too cold for top water, so I ain't gonna hit top water now, so the best thing to throw would probably, yeah, I'm running on low on things like this. I got spinner baits in here. Didn't want to add. I might throw a jerkbait, I don't know. I need to get me some shit. What jerkbait? I meant jerkbaits. Yeah, I need to get jerkbaits too, but I also need to get some jig heads. Yeah, I need to get some jig heads. Well, shit. Excuse my language. How in the heck did that happen? Okay, let me take this down right here. Hopefully I don't. Okay, yeah. Let's put that there. Okay. Get that sinker. Close this back up. Lay that right there for a second. Let's tie this on. See if they'll hit a spinner. I mean, that braided line's okay. It's just, I'm not a big fan of it. If y'all know any good braided line, let me know. I really would appreciate it. Because this line, it knots up and everything. You know, I still, like I said though, I still need to buy me some jig heads is what I need to buy. With some, get me a pumpkin seed color or a bluegill color or something like that, and then throw like a trailer on it, like a pumpkin seed worm or crawdad or something like that, you know. So that way it'll, you know, be more like realistic, you can say, I guess. I don't know if I'm going to catch anything or not, but let me see here. Yeah, it's tangled up at the top. Just the spool. Make sure it's, yeah, there we go. You see what I'm saying right there, you guys? How it does that? That line, it's mounting up inside of my spool. And that's the reason why I'm going to buy me some damn different line. I'm going to buy me some different line, I tell you that. There we go. Can't hurt. I would like to catch something. Oh, I thought I lost my dang lure. I was about to be pissed. See that line, how it's jerking. I mean, like it's jerking. It's like knotting up. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it's knotting up inside there. Like old dead grass and shit on your lures and stuff. I need to get that off. Old dead grass and stuff. I don't know. I'm hoping I can catch something. See right there, it hung up right there. It's knotted up pretty bad right there. That's that spider wire shit. Braided line. Really? You all just see that. My pole and everything fell apart. Wow. Well, I threw that for a little bit. I'm trying, you guys. I'm trying. I don't know. It might be a little bit too cold for them to bite top water, you know what I'm saying? It's like, I think it's like 40, it's like 50 degrees, but that water probably be, it's gonna be a little bit chillier than that, so. So I just don't see them biting the top water right now. Just don't see them biting it. It's a buzz bait. I mean, not buzz bait, chatterbaits. Oh, let's see here. Let's see what else I got. I got some lizards right here. I can probably try throwing one of them. See if they'll eat one of these lizards. I mean, they might not eat crawdad right now, but they might want lizards. Get this hook out. Let's throw that back in there. I got a whole pack of crawdads right there. Let me throw one of these lizards out. See what I can do with it. So. Put this back, put all the rest of this stuff up, and then I'll tie that on. Oh, I need that sinker. Oh, that's another thing. I need to buy me some hooks and sinkers. So, I love the topwater fish now. I do. I fish with everything else, but as y'all can see, I got more topwater baits than anything. I can't wait to try this Chopo out. I tried it out, but I ain't never caught nothing on it. So I just can't wait till they start biting topwaters. It's all mangled up. The hooks are hooking onto each other. Also got a pompadour right there. Got some spoons and stuff. I love topwater fish. I just like the explosion you get from it, you know, when they jump up and grab them and stuff. It's just right now, it's where I live at, it's just too cold to do anything, especially with topwater. But I will make another creek fishing video for you guys, that's for sure. That's what y'all want. It got 241 views, so that means it's what y'all want to see. So this is going to be 2020s, you know? Are you serious? If I can get it. Jesus Christ. Is it going to go in there? Huh. Can't get the hook on there. Lizard. I need to go buy me some more white lizards. I mean, God almighty, let me tell you, I've caught a ton of bass on white lizards. They just love them where I live at. White color, I don't know what it is about white, but there's something about it they just like. Well, I'm glad I didn't cast my pole. There's just something about the color. Don't tell me I lost my lure. You see what I'm saying, you guys? How that stupid line is acting? Like it's ridiculous. I gotta reset the thing so that way, you know, it don't drop as quick. You want to adjust it just right. Get it just right. Well, I'm just having bad luck today. I swear, everything's just going wrong. Just one of those days. You know, where it seems like nothing ever goes right. Oh, it's too fast. it off some. There we go. Right there's where I want it. Set my bag down right here. Yeah, but like I said, this is... I got a 4-inch hook on there with a 3/8 sinker. The lizard's probably, I don't know, it's not no 12, it's not very big. It's probably, it's one of them little small lizards, you know, because my creek stuff, I don't, there's big fish in there. It's just they like small baits. They prefer smaller bait than throwing large bait. I don't know why, that's just what they like doing. So there's a lot of bluegill in here, so that's the sign to throw like bluegill colors and stuff. That's what I probably put on. That's part of what the bass is living on, all these bluegills. So I might put here in a minute. I may put a not chatterbait, but crap. I'll think of it in a minute here, you guys. Ooh, yes, that's perfect. Right beside of that. Usually bass laying over in there. Lipless crankbait, yeah. I got a bluegill color one in there. Specifically for like spawn and stuff like that when the bass is on the spawn. So the water's low here. So I might put that on there at lipless crankbait. Let's move on over to the other side, you guys. So just keep on going around the pond. I mean, till you, all you can do is just keep going around the pond until you find them, you know. Usually they stay right down through here. This backwater right here. Because stuff that flows down through here, stuff for them to eat. I've seen them down in here before. Oh, dog, look at that bass right there. Holy shit, that's a big one. Hopefully I can get him. Got muck on it. That's a good one right there. I don't know if I'll be able to get him or not. A big one. That's probably me just estimating. That bass is probably, I don't know about, I say it, it wouldn't reach a pound. I know that for a fact. It might be 8 inches at the most. But that's still get over that log. Man, that's still a good sized bass. I mean, yeah, let's try that lipless crankbait. The only thing, I gotta cut this off real quick and get my crankbait out, my lipless crankbait out. Got the bluegill color on it. Hopefully they'll bite. Let's cut it right here. I can get that off when I get back to the house. Just cut it off right here. There we go. there for a second. Get that muck off my fingers. Yeah, it's raining now. Get my lipless crankbait out real quick. See what I can do with that. Might not catch nothing, but I hope y'all still had a good time like I did. I mean, yeah, might not catch. Yeah, y'all want to see me catch something, but you know, sometimes it don't work that way. You know, sometimes you don't catch nothing. But whenever it warms up enough, like I said, I'm gonna get in that creek and I'm gonna walk up and down it, catch some fish and stuff. Well, catch some fish and stuff and everything. So, and it's a pouring down on my head. That's actually cold rain. Wow. Yeah, it's coming down now. It's coming down now. It's a pouring the rain. It's a pouring the rain, pouring the rain, pouring the rain. Cold rain. Yeah, I'm an idiot and standing out in the rain and it's cold like this and everything, but well, I'm doing it for you guys, so. Drops too fast. Move it up some. Not dropping at all. Back it off. Huh. Well, you want it to drop, so that's too quick. There we go. I got it that time. Did you all see that shit? It fucking snapped. That line's junk. I'm telling you guys, don't never buy spider wire. Like, seriously, that shit's just friggin' retarded. It's friggin' snapped. I'm gonna have to clean that off. Clean that up. It snapped. I mean, it's like one damn time and then it broke. That's just fantastic, you know. I'll throw a couple more casts, you guys, and then I'm gonna end the video and everything. And if my lure quits spinning long enough for me to make a couple more casts, really? Did you see that shit? This is a bunch of shit now. And it snagged on that again. Whew, about fucking time. Excuse my language, YouTube. I'm sorry about the foul language. You know. Now I gotta fix this. Really? You gonna do that again? Like, come on, like, seriously? Yeah, that's right there is just ridiculous right there. I mean, I'm gonna have to definitely. I'm gonna have to get home and burn that off. Definitely gonna have to burn that off. Well, you guys, that's not gonna work. I'm casting it off and everything. It's just snapping off. Where'd it go? I know it's over here somewheres. Yeah, there it is. That line's shit, man. Well, can't use that one. Let's put a different lipless crankbait on there. I'll take this home and I'll clean that up, see what I can do with it. See what the hell I can do with it. Let's put this one on. The title of this YouTube video is going to be the worst day ever. Hopefully this don't snap off. Wow, what do you know? I actually got it to work. Golly, that muck and everything. Look at that, look at that, look at all that, pick all that shit up. Do one more cast. That's gonna be it, you guys. It's just getting too cold and it's getting too rainy. Yep. That's it, you guys. Okay, you guys, that's gonna be it. As you can tell, it's been one crappy day for me. Everything went wrong, nothing went right. Didn't catch no fish. What a crappy day. But you know, that's the way it goes. I'm just having one of those days, you know. But I will make another creek fishing video for you guys. I got my mounts right here. Head mount, heck yeah. Got me a chest mount. So we'll see which one y'all like the best, which view y'all like the best. But give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.